Hi, my name is Tim and I'm a full-time sound designer and composer, and today I show you how to create your first live set in Ableton Live with stock devices. I think we can start with Little Groove as a starting point of our live set. If you don't know, the groove palette in your browser can represent you not only grooves what you can put in a groove pool. It also can be used as a MIDI clip with a rhythm. Let's drag and drop it in an empty space and put something like, let's start with a clave. I prefer use a clank, sorry, bum. Let's randomize some parameters. I put some LFO, 1, 2, and map to a pitch, and play with the deep and rate. And set up a field for pitch movements and make a little bit more busy, and then create a jitter parameter. And I think, yeah, it's enough. And play with the decay. And I wanna some randomization. I want every 16 note have a different some rhythmic delay by default, and play with the instrument parameters a little bit. Okay, give this live some kick from default generator and create a MIDI clip. Make some hi-hats and draw some pattern here. And create some movements on the hi-hat. I'm still using LFO for this. We have an illusion of open hi-hat. Let's continue with the bass. I use the operator to create something. Put some random velocity in here. Make it lower. I think I need a sine wave for the basics and switch to a parallel mode, and on oscillator C I choose a saw. Jump to a filter and create some basic And I think we need some short stops. For this I still wanna use the operator as well and find some short presets, maybe house to go, why not? And put some notes around our keynote. Our keynote is F. Create some random things. Not bad. I think here we need a square wave. And I want to put the LFO on a filter, make it lower, deactivate red trigger, switch to parallel mode, and create some select second, 4, and now we need a clap or clap a snare. I choose a generator, create a MIDI clip, bam, 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 duplicate, play with it a little bit. Okay. I need it shorter, short tail. Now you can play with your live set, just deactivating some channels. Put little bit extra reverb and claps and a little bit of delay. Kick come back. Let's make some layering here and put extra snare to lay it with the hi-hat. Extra delay on the shorts. We have a construction you can play with for some minutes, and probably now we need to create some drum roll, like like this. Play with the velocity a little bit. And now you can operate with these scenes. On the second scene you have only bass and drum roll. This is time to make some major movements in the arrangement, so probably we need a new sound. Okay, what we need? I think we need some Rhodes. Let's make it work for us. So I put the sampler and an empty MIDI track right there. How to tune your sample and sampler? It's easy way. Just use a tuner or just read the sample name. You hit C3. If you don't see result, try to. Okay, you can see. So our key is F. So move it a little bit. I want to play with the LFO a little bit, choose LFO1 and push it into panorama. Slow down, LFO2. I wanna slow down and play with the pitch a little bit. Little bit. Quite lo-fi. And to switch between your scenes, you can key map it to, for example, numpad 1, numpad 2. And now let's go and map a drum roll for numpad 8. If you want, deactivate kick drum, activate drum roll, wait a little bit, and activate scene 2. And you're ready for next groove. Just put something. Let's try. Go back. And you have your own small live set in Ableton. You can use a multiple delay to increase your dubby techno vibe.